Hello, welcome back to Whatever Garage. On today's episode, we're going to check the vacuum to see if we can get the headlights to work. And we seem to be dead. Now, she was just running yesterday. Why the hell is she not running today? Smell fuel. She's getting fuel. Oh, that one's not tight. You shitting me? Yeah, now it starts. It's that stupid security system. I see it. Not only do we have a vacuum issue, we're not looking at the right thing. Hold on. She idles beautifully. But she's got a small fuel leak. I gotta order a new pump. Okay, along with the slight fuel leak, we found the vacuum leak. This little bit was broken, and it kept sounding like something was cycling because there's a little hole right there. So when I put my finger over it, you could hear it and it would stop. And it goes to the line right there. You can barely see it. So I'm going to connect those real quick. You sit still and watch. Hope you can see. That's what we have. We'll try the smaller line first. I don't think it's going to fit over this. It's what I need for that. I don't have the right stuff right now. We can make that work. And then it needs to fit over this. I don't want to move it too much because it keeps breaking. I would not call that a good fit. It needs a clamp. All of these do. But if it gives me headlights, I'm happy. Like I said, temporary fix. Oh, y'all are really shaking, aren't you? Go get clamps. I'll move you over here, maybe a shake less. Maybe. Anyway, we have yeah, you're not going to sit anywhere, are you? There you go. Smallest clamps I have. wrench. Let's see if we have headlights now. Nope. Alright, let's take these off and see if we're getting the air. Alright, found two more loose connections. There and there. And there's air coming through them, but the actuators aren't doing anything. And I thought they were all air operated, not electric. So I don't know what else to freaking check. They're getting air. Probably just not enough. Okay, what I have here is the vacuum diagram they give, and it's not exactly representative of what's on our car, because ours, the vacuum canister, is down here. But I noticed on my car, that the vacuum line, the intake goes directly to these guys. It's not supposed to. It's supposed to go into the canister first, and then from the canister to these guys. So let's take a look at that and see if that maybe is part of our problem. But when I came out this morning, there was a spy watching me. He's just sitting there. Now I have two giant dogs, and he's about 50 feet away from my fence. So either he's planning an attack, or he's spying on us to see what we do next. Of course, right now he's not paying attention. He knows I'm filming. We'll get back with him. Alrighty. We got our tools laid out to begin with. We're going to start off this right. But let me show you something before we hit the vacuum lines. We have an issue. This is the little front air dam, and it's not flat. It goes up here. I don't know if it was during being towed or something else, but this whole part should be down here, not on top of this. So I don't know how to get it off, because this doesn't unscrew unless you take this whole freaking block off, which is the front bumper part. So I'm going to attempt to take all the, right here, all of these screws out to see if maybe I can move this back a little. Anyway, that's what I'm going to try to do. Alrighty, the first two items up are going to be these little radiator supports. This one's missing. Oh no, it's not. It's in there. It's just dirty. You can't see it. The only way to get these out is with a wrench. See if I can guess the right size. Let me look at it. I'm going to go with 7/16. See if I'm even... Well, there's another problem. Can't even get a wrench in there. What's on the back? That is a... looks like a hex bolt. Huh. I do have some of those, but not here, because that's not a very normal item. I'll be right back. Okay, what I meant to say was Allen. It's a bolt, but it's got the hole in it for an Allen wrench, which I'm gonna have to say is probably not factory. And I'm missing that next size up, and that's exactly what I need. Daggone it. Not sure. That's gonna be too big, I bet. Yep. Damn it. Well, let's do this. Let's take out all the other screws while we're under here so we don't waste time. All right. I feel like I I got something crawling on me. I don't know, just a mosquito sucking my blood. I hope these are just screws and there's no bolts on the other side. No. Such a rush. I bet you there's a ton of shit up in here. Oh yeah, I can feel it. Let me get out from underneath it. Damn it. See, it's gonna be those two screws, or those two, oh wait a minute. I forgot, I got more Allen wrenches. Let's try this one. Oh, right on the money. Now we just have to get the bolt to quit, not move. There we go. We're rolling now, guys. Just thinking how much fun it's going to be to put it all back together. Why am I having problems now? All right, it's nice and loose. We flip it. Ta-da! And the washer, please. Give me the washer. Give me the washer. It just rolled underneath my truck over there. That's good. Do we want to take any bets as to whether or not this falls on my face? Anybody? I have faith in this wonderful car and say, yes, it will fall on my face. Ow, ow. As long as I can find the screw and the bolt, I'm fine. I got more washers. Oh, wait a minute. That washer's still up there. All right, now remember, we're doing all of this just so we can relocate this thing. I guess we need to look at it and see if it's damaged too. Doesn't appear to be. Gives us a better view of our canister though. Let's see if I can get y'all up in here. Okay. This coffee can looking thing is what's in here. That's the canister for the vacuum. Looking at it, no visible holes. Everything else up here is just typical. You know, you got surface rust on everything. I think we'll get the wire wheel and start busting some rust. Yeah, I don't want to see that. Alrighty, we're gonna do a quick little cheat test. I got some air here, and I want to see if this is working. See which one I need. That goes to there. Oh, they're already up because I manually pushed them up, so let's see. Now I felt air blow out of that. That works. So it's going to be these check valves, I think, that are bad. And those are $45 a piece. course, none of them are held on by, see, I felt air come out of that one too. Ouch. And none of them are held on by clamps. They're all just slid on here. But even still, it should work some sort of way. Where does this go? That goes back. All right, let's do this. I'm not sure what it does. It closes it. Okay. That's why it sucks it, I guess. Same thing for that one. So then this is the main line coming in to it. The middle one is the line coming in from the canister. So I want these two come in from the canister. That comes in from the main line. So if I could get a break in the main line and pump it up. Let's see. There's a splice right there. All right. Right here. Make sure I got the correct line. I do not. All right. Oh, no, wait a minute. Yeah, I do. I'm confusing myself here. Yes, that's the line I want. And there's a splice right here. It didn't hurt. That goes into the canister. Let me think. That's what I need to see. The line going into the canister is actually, oh, sorry. I undid that one. Didn't put it back. That's not correctly. Okay. Now, this is the line from the canister. I just had it off. Come on. Maybe I didn't have this one off. It was the other one. Well, I want this one off. How about that? What? Now let's do the other one then. All right. So then, when I blow on, damn it. When I blow into this line, air should come out of this line. And it does. Okay. So from the canister to the check valve works. So it's the damn check valve that does not work. You know what? Instead of plugging it back in, let me put this to the back of the check valve and see what we get. Nothing. Check valves are no good. That turned out perfect. Love it. Nope. There's one. There's two. Boy, that looks so much better. Not to mention, should get better airflow. Oh. Gonna need this in a minute. We got to put the car cover on it. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that will complete today's video. What did we learn today? We learned that most of the vacuum system on that car is functional, and the part that's broken is the vacuum relay. And brand new, they're $45 a piece. So I'm gonna get on eBay, see if there's some used ones that work. Who knows? I probably just need to go ahead and buy new ones. I know I do. But we'll look and see what's out there. So we're not gonna fix that this video. And then as for that spoiler, or the air dam, whatever you want to call it, it's back in place. I'm gonna get online and look. That hook that it was above, it almost looks like it's supposed to go in front of it and maybe hook to hold it up. I'll have to look and see. But anyway, car looks better that way. Matter of fact, let's show it to you real quick. See, that looks so much better like that, doesn't it? The other thing, actually it was in the last video, the fuel leak from the fuel pump. I've already ordered a new one. It should be here tomorrow. Today's Wednesday. It said 1-day delivery, 1 day from Amazon. So we'll see what happens. Should be here tomorrow, probably late tomorrow. So it won't be until Friday we'll put it on. And maybe that'll be Friday's video. Maybe not. We'll come up with something. Anyway, nobody's responded yet as to what they want to see next. So this is what you get. So whatever garage, out.